Welcome to the fourth program in the AC Induction Motor Series, in which you will learn the general procedure for performing what is generally referred to as a motor service. In this program, we shall follow the procedures of dismantling, component inspection, bearing replacement and assembling of a typical induction motor that has been brought in from the plant for scheduled maintenance. As a rule, a motor is first checked for resistance prior to dismantling. Dismantling commences with the removal of the fan cowling, knocking out the roll pin with a suitable pin punch, and then carefully removing the fan itself from the shaft. Before commencing further, the motor frame should be cleaned using a wire brush or the shop airline. Next, mark the end shield positions for reassembly. One pop mark at the non-drive end and two marks at the drive end. Doing this will ensure that you do not assemble the motor back to front. On this motor, the bearing cap retainer screws are first removed prior to removing the end shields. Use only soft metal hammers or wedges when removing end shields. At this stage, the rotor can be left in place and the bearings removed using a suitable bearing puller. It may be necessary to first clean the shaft area in front of the bearing. Remove both bearings in similar fashion. Remove the retainer plates. Parts should now be cleaned and laid out for a visual inspection, which we shall discuss after the break.